Displaying and analyzing data, part 2. Example 4. The weights in pounds of a group of cats entered in a cat show are given below. Use the data to construct a histogram, then describe the distribution of the data. So again, we'll first have to create a frequency table in order to do a histogram. Again, the intervals will be provided for you. Okay, so these are the intervals given to you. Hopefully your table looks a lot better than mine. Okay, so consider the fact that each of these points are in order from least to greatest. We really don't need to tally. So we can go straight to writing our frequency. All right, so let's first look at 0 to 1.99. And that includes just that one data point. Going from 2 to 3.99 would be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 data points. From 4 to 5.99 is here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 6 to 7.99 is here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Going from 8 to 9.99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 10 to 11.99 is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finally, 12 to 13.99 is just one data point. So now we completed our frequency table. So let's go to doing our histogram. So again, a histogram is just a bar graph without the spaces in between. So first we got to list our intervals along the bottom. Okay, so again, I'm going to put my marks in between my intervals so I know where my bars start and end. And now let's go back to looking at our frequencies. Our smallest frequency is 1 and our biggest is 12. So we'll go up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin filling in our histogram. So the first interval has a frequency of 1. The second interval, 4. And again, whenever you're doing your histogram, you should have your frequency table right in front of you. The next one is 9. Just come like this. 12. 8. 4. And 1. Okay, so we have constructed our histogram, and then finally we have to describe the distribution of the data. So looking at this data, I see almost a perfect curve. So this will just be described as a normal distribution. Example 5. The 2 histograms below show the ages of waitstaff at 2 restaurants. Identify the kind of distribution shown by each histogram, and then use the shapes of the data sets to compare them. Okay, so looking at the first histogram, I would call this a normal distribution. And looking at the second histogram, I would call this a skewed right, because the tail is on the right, skewed right distribution. Okay, so finally we have to use those shapes to compare them. So just taking a look here, we can kind of see that the highest age range, well, that most of the workers are between 36 and 40 here for the pasta restaurant. But over here is 21 to 25. So we can kind of conclude that the pizza restaurant has a younger wait staff than the pasta restaurant.